Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can use list view in Kotlin. So here I am in the XML file. Its name is main.act. I will define a list view in XML first. List view with the width of match parent and height of match parent, and I will assign a ID of list view. Now I will go into the Kotlin activity, and first I will declare its subject. So I will use var list view of type list view and alt enter add late init. Then in the onCreate I will link that list view to the XML file. So here I have a list view is equal to find view by id r.id.listView. So this is linked. Now I will define an adapter. So first I will define array list var data list is equal to array list of string, and I will add some item data list that add apple, mango and orange. So here I have the name of 3 fruits. Now I will define an adapter. So var adapter is equal to array adapter. First I have the context, then the layout will be from android.r.layout.simple list item 1. And then I have the data list. So this is set. Now I will set the adapter for the list view. So for this I will use list view dot adapter is equal to adapter. Let's run this code and see the results. So here I have the output apple, mango, orange, and if I will add some more items, then all that items will be displayed in the list view. So here you have seen how you can use list view in Android using Kotlin language. So there is no big difference between using list view in Kotlin or Java, but the Kotlin is more precise and easy.